Hello learners, how are you? Welcome back. Today we will learn 5 new words, their meaning, pronunciation, usage, synonyms and antonyms. Let's start with the first word. The word is misanthrope. This word is originated from Greek word misanthropos. Misan means to hate, anthropos means man. The meaning of the word is a person who hates and avoids other people. Synonyms: cynic, naysayer, pessimist, screws, skeptic. Antonyms are believer, humanist, philanthropist, optimist, idealist, and Pollyanna. Some examples: living in a big bad city full of criminals turns a person into a misanthrope. The woman lived in a house surrounded by a barbed fence. The villagers thought that she was a misanthrope. Actually, this is a famous quote by Charles Bukowski. In one of his books, he has written, "Do you hate people? I don't hate them. I just feel better when they are not around." Now, this is a perfect example of misanthropy. Now, this second word, today's second word, it is taken from German language. The word is pronounced as Schadenfreude. Again, Schadenfreude. Origin is from German. Schaden means harm and Freud means joy. Now, the meaning of the word: pleasure derived by someone from other people's miseries, other people's troubles. Synonyms: gloating, joy, malevolence, malicious, in fact, malicious glee, and sadism. Sadism is not an exact synonym of this word. There is a difference. You can go and check difference between sadism and Schadenfreude. Examples: Shyam felt a sense of Schadenfreude when he saw the class bully fall face down in the mud. Second example: defeat of their arch rivals in the Cricket World Cup filled the Indian fans with Schadenfreude. This little comic strip. Now, next, the third word is, it's a very common word, sycophant. Now, generally people make a common mistake. They think that this word starts with a silent P. No, it's not that. Look at the spelling. This word is originated from Greek language, sycophantes, and it means a person who flatters another in order to get ahead. Synonyms: bootlicker, groupie, fawner, toady, flatterer, yes man. And antonyms: haughty, arrogant, supercilious. Examples: sycophants can never be true friends. Another example: great leaders treat sycophants with disdain. They know that the sycophants are weak, cowardly, vile, and disloyal. So never try to be a sycophant. Now, some of you might ask, why so many cat pictures? The next word, again a fairly common word, hypochondriac. Again, hypochondriac. Now, what's the meaning of this word? First, look at the origin. The word is derived from the Greek word hypochondria, and it means a person who continuously worries about his or her health, especially in today's world, what's happening around us, COVID 19. Synonyms: first, valetudinarian. This word can also be pronounced as valetudinarian. So these are the two pronunciation of this word, valetudinarian or valetudinarian. And second example, second synonym, neurotic. Next, some examples. My sister is a hypochondriac. Whenever she reads about a disease in a newspaper or book, she thinks she has the same disease. COVID 19 is going to turn us all into raving germophobes and hypochondriacs. Again, a cat picture. The last word, the fifth word. It's a fairly common word. It is frequently used in newspapers. Look at the spelling and pronunciation. Demagogue. Okay, demagogue. It is derived from Greek demagogos. Demos, the people. Now, demos is also there in the word, in the common word democracy. Demos, the people, and agogos, leading, meaning a political leader who seeks support by appealing to the desires and prejudices of ordinary people rather than by using rational argument. Synonyms: agitator, firebrand, hothead, rebel rouser. Antonyms: peacemaker, reconciler, and uniter. Some examples. In recent years, we have seen the rise of demagogues in various countries around the world. The demagogues prosper by creating divisions among people. Second example, nobody can save the liberties of common people when they fall under the spell of a demagogue. Now, again, the same question. You might ask about the cat connection. Why so many cat images? Because, as someone once said, there are two means of shelter from the misery and negativity of life: music and cats. These cute kittens are creatures of comfort. Cat is a masterpiece of the divine, if divine exists. So you have learned 5 words today. Use these words while you speak and write. Write sentences of your own using these words in the comment box below. Let us see whether you have truly learned these words or not. Keep learning. Stay healthy. Thank you.